Hi everyone. So we had a big windstorm last night and I decided it was a good time to go foraging for some cottonwood buds. You can use those to make the Balm of Gilead. It's very soothing for the skin. So the way to find the trees they're usually giant trees. This is the biggest tree on our property. And the leaves, which of course doesn't have any on now, but I looked at the bottom of the tree and I found all these triangle shaped leaves. That is the big sign that it's a cottonwood tree. So the great way to harvest these is just to look at all the downed branches. So I found this one, and at the tip of it you can see these buds, and they're really resinous inside. So you can just put these in some olive oil, cover them with olive oil, let it sit for a few weeks, and then you can use the oil or you can turn it into a salve and put it on your skin for any inflammation that's going on or any bacterial infection or anything.